Hi, this is Chuck. I own an SEO agency and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a Google search for Charlotte Roofing, trying to help out some clients. And just to let you know, this is what shows up on the first page of Google for people that are looking for help with their roofing needs in Charlotte. And the top part is really just some ads. This is what we call the map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings, which shows what some of your competitors. This is a business directory, competitor, business directory, and some other competitors. So I kept looking and found you back here, page 5 of Google. And you're right here. So what I did was I looked at your site or went to it, and it does look nice. And so you got your tabs set up, and that's good. Just want to mention a couple things that you can do to increase your rankings and boost your rankings if you're wanting to get more business on out of Google, because that's the new phone book. And you may or may not know that 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So out of 80% of people searching, they're going with these top 3 companies. And that's why most businesses want to get on page 1 of Google so they can capture that business. So there's a handful of things you can do. I'm just going to mention a couple. Google, in order to rank you higher, they need to trust your site. Now, how do you build trust? There's a few things you can do. I'll mention a couple that you can do on your own, and of course we'll be glad to help you with them as well. But Google is in this for the end user. In other words, if you or I go on Google to search for whatever, we want to find what we're looking for immediately and at the top, or at least on that first page. How many times do you go to the second, third, fourth, or fifth page to look for any more information? Most 90% of the people stay on the first page. So Google wants to trust your site. The more they trust it, the higher they're going to rank you. One of the things they do is they look at your title. And so we put your URL in our metadata extractor, pulls out your title, which actually ends up being this blue line in the search results. And while that fits your company and means a lot to you and me, Google is looking at that to say, okay, what is this site about? And is it congruent with what people are searching for? So one suggestion would be just to flip-flop this around, put Charlotte Roofing to be congruent with what people are searching for. Put your vertical line, then put Johnson's Roofing, another vertical line, and Commercial Roofing in Charlotte. And that'll boost your rankings right there. The other thing is your heading tags. Google looks at your headings to know what you want to rank for. And your page does not contain any headings, but if you can actually add those fairly easy, we go around this area, and you could again put something congruent with what people are searching for. You could put Charlotte Roofing, and then under it put best commercial roofer in the Charlotte area, or what have you. But that's just a couple things you can do to help yourself out, boost your rankings, get you some more business. Hopefully you found value in that, and if so, just reply to me if we can help you out. Thanks, and have a good day.